Hi friends, welcome to Nishchala's Kitchen. Today I'm going to show you a super healthy breakfast variety. It is Jowar Dosa. It is very good for weight loss, controls blood sugar levels, prevents cancer, enhances gut and heart health. So the ingredients are 1 cup jowar, 1 cup urad dal, 1 cup rice, 1 tablespoon methi seeds. Pour all these ingredients into a bowl and we have to soak them for 5 hours. Before soaking, we'll clean all these grains properly in water and then we are going to soak it in water. See, I have added all the ingredients into the same bowl along with methi seeds. I am adding water to clean them now. After getting soaked for 5 hours, this is how they look. Now wash them again for 2 to 3 times until you see clear water and grind it into a mixer grinder or a wet grinder. Here I am using wet grinder. Now, after fermenting it for 3 hours, take a ladle full of batter and spread it uniformly over the dosa pan. See, I have made dosa with the same batter and I am enjoying it with the veg kurma. Hope you will try this too. If you like it, share it with your friends and family members and do not forget to subscribe to channel for more such recipes. Bye.